Hi, I'm Frank Natz from OEM by QIAGEN. Our industry is facing increasing regulations to mitigate risks both to human health and the environment posed by the industrial use of chemicals. Certain detergents widely used in molecular biology, for example, are covered by REACH and have been added to the European authorization list Annex 14. I'm sure a lot of you have many questions about the adoption of REACH in the European Union and its impact on OEM product development. Therefore, I'm happy to invite you to join a webinar in which I will be reviewing the impact of REACH, especially on OEM partners. I will also discuss QIAGEN's strategy and ongoing activities to assure REACH compliance and future supply security. I look forward to seeing you at the webinar and answer your questions. To register, click on the link below.
QIAGEN.
Sample to insight.